Hey guys, I'm back today with UberChic Beauty's Cultural Rhythm plate. So let's take a quick look here. This is beautiful for any sort of like tribal, printy kind of stuff that you want to do. But I also see this as a textural plate. So I think a lot of these are going to go beautifully behind other things. Like you could have, you know, like cute little farm animal-y kind of things behind something like this or behind something like this. Valentine's Day hearts over this would be adorable. So definitely look at this for the patterns just on their own. But like any flowers, this is going to be gorgeous with any flowers, you know, and dots go with anything. So just play around, mix and match, use this as texture. You will get so much use out of this plate. It is so versatile. When I see this just on its own, like just using the patterns that are here, not combining it with anything else, I see bright colors, like I see vibrant African kind of prints. I see oranges and hot pinks and deep blues and bright greens. And so I think these also would go with any sort of tropical-y theme. Great for sort of summer looks. It would transition very easily into fall colors, I think, for me as well. But seriously, like pastels for this and Easter elements, like you could use almost any of these for that kind of thing. All right, her full mount images are always 1.7 by 2.1 centimeters. And let's take a quick look here with the ruler so you can get a feel for those central images and see that they are very nicely sized. And let's go play. All right, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.